Imagine waking up to your dream home, sipping coffee on your balcony overlooking the ocean, knowing your bank account grew overnight while you slept. Sounds like a fantasy? It's not. Passive income is the gateway to a life of freedom and luxury, and today, I'll show you exactly how to start. But let me ask you, how long will you keep trading time for money? The clock is ticking, and financial freedom waits for no one. Stay with me, because these 7 ideas could change your life. Here's the hard truth. 70% of people are stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Why? Because they've been sold the lie that working harder is the only way to make money. But the wealthy know something most don't. Money works for them, not the other way around. The difference between staying stuck or living the life you dream of lies in building passive income. Are you ready to unlock the secrets the rich already know? Let's dive into idea number 1. Dividend stock. Think of dividend stocks as planting a money tree. Companies pay you regularly just for owning their shares. It's like getting rewarded for being part of their success. Scared of the stock market? Don't be. Start small with platforms like Robinhood. If you invest $500 a month, you could be sitting on a 6-figure portfolio in 10 years. Now that's a future worth waiting for, right? 2. Rental properties. Ever thought of owning a property where you don't live? Renting out a home or even a spare room can generate consistent cash flow. Apps like Airbnb make it easier than ever. Don't have the capital to buy? Consider house hacking. Live in one unit, rent out the others. Your tenants pay your mortgage while you build equity. Smart, huh? 3. Digital products. Now here's where the magic of the internet comes in. Ebooks, templates, courses. Create them once. Sell them forever. What's your expertise? Package it. People are willing to pay for your knowledge. Think about this. While you binge Netflix, someone could be buying your $20 guide. Cha-ching! Pattern interrupt. Speaking of Netflix, how's that subscription working out for your bank account? Just saying. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like getting paid to recommend your favorite things. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon's affiliate program is a great place to start. And no, you don't need 1 million followers, just a niche audience who trusts you. Imagine making money while people shop. Feels a bit like hacking the system, doesn't it? 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Want to be the bank? Peer-to-peer lending lets you earn interest by loaning money to others. Platforms like Lending Club connect you with borrowers. Yes, there's risk, but with proper research, the returns can be lucrative. Just imagine, your money growing while you're chilling by the pool. Tempting, right? 6. Content creation. Think creating content is just for influencers? Think again. Blogs, YouTube, and even podcasts can bring in ad revenue and sponsorships. It's slow at first, but imagine waking up to $500 from a video you made last year. That's not just income, it's freedom. 7. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want to invest in real estate without buying property? Enter REITs. They're like mutual funds for real estate. You invest, they handle the rest. Best part? They pay dividends, just like stocks. Low effort, high reward. It doesn't get better than that. Now, before we wrap up, there's one game-changing mindset you need to adopt to make all this work. Stick around for the finale. You'll thank me later. Here's the truth. Our passive income isn't just about money. It's about freedom, choice, and living life on your terms. But it starts with action. Which idea will you try first? Remember, the only thing standing between you and the luxury lifestyle you dream of is you. Start now, because every day you wait is a day lost. Subscribe to Lush Era for more wealth-building secrets, and let's create your era of abundance together. Your future self will thank you.